Well, the reason why I came to see you is because I need to know where my brother is.
Where your brother at?
Yeah.
Oh man. You know where I'm at? You don't know where your brother at?
Listen, it's a lot of stuff going on. I just feel a lot of negative energy going, like something going on with my brother, and I really just need to know where he's at.
You know Brandon always got something going on, girl. He alright? He called you?
No, I ain't
He
heard
wrote
from
you a
him.
letter?
I ain't heard from him. That's
So
why
he
I'm coming to
alright.
you.
If he was doing bad, he been wrote you a letter. He been called you. And you know,
Listen.
okay, I'm gonna listen.
Just cut all the bullshit. I need to know where the hell my brother at. I know
Oh,
that you know.
hold up, shawty. Then you can't talk to Hunk that way. I got you now. Let me tell you something, but you know he's doing alright. You know, if he was doing bad, I'll tell you. And the bottom line is that he's doing good. But you found me. I know damn well you can find your brother. And think about that for a minute. Think about that for a minute. So you know he must be close. When you found me, how far are we away? Me and Brandon, we go way back. So how far are we away from each other? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you right.
Like I feel what you feeling, cause I ain't seen him in a minute, but he always close to me. You know, you keep doing your little snooping like you found me, you might find your bro. Okay? But how you been doing though?
I'm alright.
You alright?
Yeah, just worried about my brother.
Yeah, alright. You know what I'm worried about. You know Brandon's alright. He take care of himself and everything. But I understand, you know.
Going on.
Yeah, you know these. I've been hearing little.
I can feel it.
Yeah, I know.
You know, we close to him. You know, when something's going on with him, I can feel the energy. So.
Right, but this energy is the bad energy or good?
Oh, it's some real foul.
Foul.
Real foul energy.
But trust in me, he alright. He might be going into little foul stuff, but.
Well, I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna get to the bottom of it. I just need to talk to him. I need to see him and I need to talk to him.
You're gonna get to the bottom on your own?
I found you, didn't I?
Yeah. Alright now. You're getting a little slick at the tongue. You remember when you was shouty now? Uncle used to do it.